Meanwhile, Environment Secretary Ramon Pai says the deadly impact of climate change is now being continuously felt. Because of this, those living in danger areas will have to be moved to safer places. This report.
The impact of climate change is delivering a heavy blow on human settlements anywhere in the country. What's normal 5 years ago is no longer true.
Kung yung mga nakikita nating 150 kilometers na bagyo before, ngayon 270 na, 280. Yung dati-dating ang precipitation na tinatawag natin, yung mga lalim ng tubig. Pag umuulan ay nasa 100 millimeters, ngayon 400, 500 millimeters na. Ito na yung tinatawag namin na new normal. Now we have to be ready for it. Ito na yung bagong taon-taon na dadating sa atin na bagyo, taon-taon sa atin na volume ng tubig na dadating sa atin because of climate change. Dumadami na, lumalaki na yung clouds, lumalaki ang bagsak ng tubig sa atin at lumalakas na rin ang hangin.
Because of the deadly impact of tropical depressions or typhoons, the government is committed in relocating informal settlers in high-risk areas to prevent the loss of lives and property. The President's orders relocate them to safer grounds. In Metro Manila, thousands living along the riverbanks of Marikina, Pasig, San Juan, and other waterways to include Esteros will be relocated either in Metro Manila or outside Metro Manila. Many of them will be transferred to Bulacan, Rizal, Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. Relocation is only solutions to flooding in the metropolis.
As much as possible, lahat na waterways natin na mayroong informal settlers, kung po pwedeng mailikas yan, dahil sa, ito'y para sa kanila rin. Ito'y protection nila na every time nababaha, tinatamaan sila. Pag malakas ang tubig, mayroon pang sisiraan ng bahay o nalalaga sa kanila, no? So, ang objective namin, bigyan sila ng magandang tirahan.
The program is holistic. It will also include the cleanup of the drainage system and the construction of a network of flood control projects which will ease heavy flooding in the metropolis.
Yung cleanup is basically part of our effort also to declog para yung tubig nga makadaloy.
What about the flooding? No,
Pwede pag na-declog mo, luluwag na. Mabilis nang dumaloy ang tubig, hindi na mangyayari yung konting ulan, nagkakaroon ng daming kagad, then di makataloy ng tubig.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abando reporting.